We will be demonstrating our limited clearance cassette tool line, the TTZ. Our TTZ is manufactured out of steel, which offers long-lasting operation. It consists of only 3 moving parts and features simple connect hex links, which are connected via a pin to offer quick and easy changes. The built-in inline reaction arm provides accurate and pitch point-free torquing. Our swivel features multi-position hose couplers, which rotate 360 degrees to ensure no hose interference. Our TTZ line is comprised of various models which offer a broad torque range, from 105 foot-pounds to 36,409 foot-pounds, which is accurate to plus or minus 3%. As with all of our tools, we recommend operating the TTZ line on one of our quality hydraulic power packs, which offer up to 10,000 psi.